Is there a way to test these GE dishwasher flood switches for not heating issue? Other than replace and wait? Part number WD21 by 10519.
That part is about 100% the reason for the dishwasher to not heat. Very common, replace it.
That doesn't help.
Depending on the model number, this thermistor is not part of the flood switch, so send me the model number. They fail either shorted or open.
I don't have a model number. Was a general question about the part, as I don't care to wait 20 minutes after I changed it to see if it fixed it.
If this thermistor is part of the float switch, there are 3 wires to the float switch and 2 wires to the sensor. I was going to tell you what the wire colors are for the sensor, but without the model number I don't know. On some dishwashers this sensor is with the turbidity sensor, not the float, and even connects to the main board in a different location. If you look at the mini manual, the leaflet tucked under the dishwasher, it will tell you how to get into the service mode and turn on the heater immediately, no waiting. How do you know this is the correct part number for the float switch without knowing the model number to look up this part?
Well, first of all, it's the flood sensor deal, not the float switch. And I had the part on the truck. I don't even know if there are different versions of it.
Yes, there are different versions, and they are referred to float switches on some part sites, even though they are not like the old float switches that just killed power to the water valve. These do that as well as turning the drain pump on. Like I said, some DWs have the sensor where the turbidity sensor is located, not where the flood/float switch is.
You don't know which pins to test on this part?
I can easily tell you by looking at the schematic, but need the model to look that up. Since you have this part and the one in the dishwasher is the same, has 5 or 6 wires to it, whatever reading you get on the new one you should get on the original as well. Since you are a service tech, there is a mini manual, a leaflet, that is folded up and tucked under the dishwasher, usually near the front left leg, but maybe tucked under the tub, but towards the front. This has the same schematic that I would use to tell you the wire colors and how to check. 2 of the wires are the sensor and there are 3 wires to the flood switch. 1 is common and the other 2 make to turn off water and turn on drain pump, and if memory 1 is a ground, J-green wire.
Okay.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.